Alright, we'll call that a warm-up. This time, let's try hitting the target.
Well, you hit the target, but if that were a dragon, you'd be dead.
Hello, and welcome to Critical Coach, a new series by Slice Print Roleplay. I'm Tyler.
And I'm Kat. And in this super fun new series, we're going to talk about Dungeons and Dragons and other tabletop RPGs here and there. Just we don't know them as well as Dungeons and Dragons.
Not yet, but I'm definitely excited to learn. There's quite a few out there, a number of different games out there that are really, really exciting. But we're not really necessarily going to be talking to you as much about, well, we are going to be talking to you about Dungeons and Dragons. I'm not going to lie. But we're going to be teaching you a lot of tips and different ideas on how to approach situations that will be applicable to a wide range of tabletop role-playing games.
Throughout the course of our series, too, we're going to be talking about a lot of things that will make this very beginner player or beginner DM friendly, and hopefully give you the tools and the confidence that you need in order to play or run a game, or maybe even just know a little bit more about it if you're interested.
We're going to try in each episode to have something that's going to be useful for both DM and for players, so that each episode will have value for pretty much everyone, because there are some things that players can do that will have a really dramatic impact on your game and be a lot more succinct, and you'll have just a better experience for you and for everyone else. Things that are maybe not quite as obvious as just putting your phone down and not, checking your sport ball stats while, there's a game going on.
A D&D game.
Yes.
Going on.
Which is, in my opinion, far more important, but far be it from me to tell you what to do with your
balls.
Yeah. Yep.
So, this will be adding to the Slice Print Roleplay name in the sense that we'll finally be diving into the roleplay section of things instead of just talking about
whatever it is I talk about.
Yeah.
Nerdy stuff. So cut out the slice and print part of it, and you'll have the roleplay part of it, which is Critical Coach. So hope you enjoy it. Keep an eye out for more episodes.
Let's go play something.